Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to make these simple summer flower chains. They make cute wall hangings for kids' spaces or sweet decorations for your summer parties. This is such a versatile craft you can make them out of pretty much any paper. I've used old book paper and construction paper to good effect. Let's get started to see what we can make today. Take an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and fold it into quarters. We're going to cut along these creases that we just made. Now we're going to put these ones over to the side. We'll come back to them in a minute. Take one of your pieces of paper and we're going to fold this into quarters. We're going to find the sealed corner. You'll notice that one corner, it has 2 layers, and the other one has 4. The corner with 2 layers is going to be folded over to the other edge. We should have something that looks a bit like this. Repeat this step with all of the other pieces of paper that we've cut up. We're going to draw our flower shape now. It may seem daunting, but I'll show you a way to make it super easy. So here's my trick. Make a mark about 1 centimeter away from the point. Connect the shorter corner to that mark with a slightly curved line. A straight line works too, but this gives you a fun shape for a chunky flower vibe. Match the shape on the other side. Follow the same process for all of your other shapes. Cut out the shape. These shapes do not have to be the same size. If you have some petals that are chunkier or longer than others, don't sweat it. Nature doesn't make anything perfect, so neither do we. Gently open out the flower. A couple of these folds need to be reversed so that the petals all face the same direction. To do this, we'll give them just a little pinch, just so that they all face the same way. Repeat these first couple of steps until you have a number of flowers that you're happy with. Now we're going to make the center of the flowers. Pick a color that complements your flower well and find a circle that's about the size of the center of the flower. If you're using 8.5 by 11 inch paper, the lid of a glue stick will work well. Trace the circle and then cut it out. Fold the circle in half then in half again. Cut small slits into the edge of the shape towards the center. Careful not to cut all the way through. Gently open the circle and give the edges a little fluff. There we go! Now it's time to assemble! 2 of these flower shapes will make 1 flower. Put a dab of glue in the middle of one shape and offset the other as you put it in place. Glue the colored center to the middle of the flower. Give the edges of this middle circle just a little fluff again. Repeat this process with the rest of your petals. From here, it's all up to you how you want to customize your final piece. I'm going to make a bunting to hang up in my branch for a display. For that, I'm going to need some string. I have a bundle of twine on hand, so that's what I'm using. Cut a length of twine. Arrange the flowers along the twine in whatever order you like. Attach the flowers to the string with a dab of glue. A regular glue stick will work, but hot glue will give you a more confident hold if it's being used for party decorations. Give it a good amount of glue and some gentle pressure to secure it to the twine. Continue until all of the flowers are attached. And there you have it, a cute little decoration to brighten up your space.